Hi, today in front of me Motorola Razr 40 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So open first the settings application, then tap to network and internet. Click here to the internet section, tap to get it, and to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off we should click on the switcher. After that you'll see here all of the available networks. Select one from the networks. If you want to see the password, you should click the show password checkbox, then just tap to connect. Wait a second, and now we could see that we just successfully connected to this network. If you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should use the same switcher. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here the Wi-Fi icon. Click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while, and after that, by the same way, select the network, enter the password and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.